going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about how to cop, where to cop, all the tips and tricks for these Air Jordan 1 Royal toes, man. As you guys do know, these joints released this weekend, and I've been hearing a lot of talk about these being one of the best Air Jordan 1s to release so far this year, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do, you already know, man, subscribe right now to your boy, ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video. I will be going live tonight, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you pull up. If you don't mind, please already smash that like button. The goal for every video is 300 likes. You guys have been killing it, like I said, the past couple videos. I really do appreciate it. And head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. So with all that being said, let's talk about how to cop these Air Jordan 1 Royal toes, man. Let's get it. Alright, so as you guys do know, these joints retail for $170. They hiked it up from last year from $160 to $170. And I even heard, like, back in the day, these joints used to go for only $100, man. Could you imagine a pair of Air Jordan 1s only going for $100? You know what I mean? The more shoes you would have, you know how many shoes I would have, it'll be insane, man. So $170, man. Unless of course you got some discount codes or you got some rewards from Foot Locker and Champ Sports and stuff like that. These joints will be $170 out the door, plus tax, plus shipping and all that, because you know most stores, most Foot Lockers, most Champ Sports and stuff like that will not be open during this release. I am hearing that a couple of these malls and stuff like that will be open very soon, but there's no solid, no definite date yet. So yeah, man, $170 this Saturday. Like I said, I will be doing a live cop for these and the Adidas Yeezy 350B2. So for joints that I'm really trying to get now, you guys know I took an L on the Earths, so I feel like these are super similar to those. I think those will do just good for your boy. So the first couple stores I gotta tell you guys, you already know, man. Foot Locker, Champ Sports, Finish Line, Foot Action, Hibbett Sports. It's just so many sites you can get these joints from, and I will link them all below in the description box so you guys can go check it out. So I have a good tip for you guys to use on copying these joints manually on Foot Locker, Champ Sports, Hibbets, and all that good stuff. You gotta use your Chrome browsers, man. You guys already know with Chrome, you can already put in your cart information, you can put in your address, you can put in your name and all that good stuff. So when you're going to put these shoes in your cart, all you have to do is click autofill each one of those boxes, and you're faster with checking out, man. I know a lot of people always add the shoes to their cart, but they're not able to check out, man. Same thing happened to me for the Air Jordan 1 Core Purple 2.0s. I didn't have my Chrome browsers filled, man. And we was on a live stream and somebody was telling me just use Chrome, use autofill, and it saves so much more time, man. So we're gonna see how this thing works for these Air Jordan 1 Royal toes, because I do have to get a pair for the wifey, man. So right now, man, go on your Chrome browsers, already input your card information, go ahead and put in your name, your address, and all that good stuff. So when it's time to purchase these sneakers, you don't got to take the extra time and wasting the time on putting all that information in, because somebody else already got those things auto-filled, and they're gonna be the first ones to check out, man. So make sure you have those Chrome browsers filled, so you're not wasting no time, you're not taking no L's, man. That's the first huge tip for you guys to cop these joints for retail, man. Like I said, these might be one of the hardest Air Jordan 1s to cop this year, man. We got another Royal colorway, and as you guys do know, the past couple Royals that released, all of them been selling out just like that, man. The resale isn't that high on the game Royals, but I can definitely see that rising due to that OG Royal colorway, you feel me? So make sure you already have your Chrome browsers auto-filled right now, man. Do it right now. All right, guys, so the next tip on copping these Royal toe ones is using Nike SNKRS, man. There's a lot of people that love it. There's a lot of people that hate it. A lot of people always saying they're getting L's. People end up getting exclusive access, not able to cop on that exclusive access. People like, man, forget Nike. I'm like, I'm tired of Nike. There's a lot of people out there like that. A lot of people in the comments that really don't even like trying to even get shoes on SNKRS. But this still is a good spot to go and cop these Air Jordan 1 Royal toes. And a huge tip I got for you guys on that, man, already go to your settings, put in your name, put in your size, put in your shipping address, put in your PayPal. And the reason I say PayPal and not just your regular debit card number is because when I was overseas in Germany, I had hit on a pair of Air Jordan 1 Travis Scotts, man, the first pair that ever released. Nike canceled my order because my bank did not let the funds leave the account, man. They thought it was a fraudulent purchase. I was so heated. I should have that shoe in the collection right now. But as you guys do know, when you're overseas and you're trying to make purchases from different, you know, countries, and that was like my first month of being there, with me trying to get those Travis Scott Air Force Ones, my bank was like, hold on, what's going on here? And they pretty much just clapped that transaction. So make sure you use PayPal and not your debit card, man, because sometimes your bank is too much on your side and they're just trying to protect you. But Nike don't care. If the funds don't come out the account, you're not getting the shoe. So make sure you use PayPal. PayPal's always been clutch for me. And nowadays, a lot of sites use PayPal so you can check out. I would highly advise you to use PayPal as well, man, just in case you buy some shoes from somebody that you don't know. If it's fake, you can just call PayPal, of course, file a claim, and you get your money back at the end of the day. So yeah, man, shouts out to PayPal. Use PayPal on the Nike SNKRS app. And the next thing with Nike SNKRS app, man, you have to have the facial recognition if you have an iPhone. And I remember a couple series back of the iPhones, you could do the thumbprint. So make sure you have either one of those on, so you're not sitting there putting your password in for the Nike SNKRS app. I don't know how it is for Android. I don't know if you got facial recognition or not, but if you do have an Android and you got facial recognition that you use for the Nike SNKRS app, let me know down below in the comment section. All right, guys, so now I want to touch up on the resale value of them right now. So on StockX and on GoDaddy, you can go and check, and they're not going for that much, only $250. And you guys already know, usually when a price is low before the release date, it only tends to go down, man. Air Jordan 1s usually grow with time, years, I must say. But if you're trying to get these shoes for resale, I would still tell you to get them, just because it's still a huge profit, man. Say you're getting like 10 pairs, you do the math, you still winning at the end of the day. But don't get it wrong, just because the resale value is low doesn't mean a lot of people want this shoe, man. Perfect example, the Air Jordan 3 UNCs. I thought that shoe was not gonna do much. I was telling you guys it was gonna sit, but I was still gonna cop them. And now look at them today, man. They're going for almost $300 plus. And I thought I had my pair secured, but I didn't, man. I still gotta go back and get that sneaker. That's definitely a shoe I really want for 2020. I've been telling you guys that since January, man. So you guys stay tuned for delayed W unboxing. I should have them soon, hopefully. But we will be going live tonight to talk about some major restocks and some release dates that I got confirmed today. And also, if you're getting these to resell, man, just hold on to them for a couple of months, maybe even a year, and you would definitely see this shoe going for like $300 plus. It's a royal colorway. It's super fire. I already dropped a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe, so make sure you go check it out. The on feet was super crispy, and like I said, I'm still gonna throw some B-roll in here, and I'm gonna throw a little portion of the on feet at the end of this video as well, man, so I can get some of your final thoughts before the release this upcoming Saturday. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you for tuning in. If you have not smashed that like button, man, make sure you smash it. And goal for every video is 300 likes. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, man. We are super close to 30,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the support you guys have been showing lately on YouTube and on my Instagram, man. It means so much to me, and I'm always going to thank you guys. Like I said, we'll be going live tonight, so make sure you have the notification bell on for your boy, and we still going live Saturday and Sunday. So I need all you guys to pull up to all of the live streams. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.
Me and these niggas don't get along. They be looking at me like I did them wrong. About to hit the bank, then I hit the bong. On the same shit, just a different song. And I hopped in the game like a 6 man, hoping it make me a rich man. Lean on your bitch with a kickstand. She done snuck in the back with a wristband. It ain't new to me. Truly, I'm used to the foolery. Seem like I handle it suitably, so there ain't really shit you could do to me. And I think that it's best that they understand. Right now that I got the upper hand, gave her the pipe from the motherland. Now I bet you she don't need another man. I'm 100 grand. Game up when you bring my name up. They gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up.